Hello everyone, this is Arisa from MalayPanTV. Today I'm here at the newly opened Gamuda Luge Garden. I'll be showing you guys some of their attractions and also behind the scenes of my shooting.
You gotta run! You gotta run!
MalayPanTV.
So today, Arisa is coming here for a shoot.
はい、そうです。今日めちゃくちゃ暑いので大変だ。西田君、
何？
暑いですね。
めっちゃ暑いよ今日。Very hot.
Very hot.
We're now waiting for the camera crew to set up. 撮影はうまくいくのでしょうか？
緊張する？
まだわかんない。
ちなみに Joshua will be my personal assistant for today.
Assistant boy です。
はい。どうぞ。
Today, I'll be the one taking over the camera since Arisa's gonna be so busy. So, you guys enjoy this video.
なんやねん。
It's the first scene.
最初は入り口に向かう様子の撮影です。By the way, this place is located in Gamuda Luge Garden, Sungai Below.
西田君荷物を置くんですけど、猫ちんがいます。
We started off with a quick explanation of the area and some safety briefing before we head to the rides.
It goes by the size. Look at your head size.
Okay. I don't know my head size.
I'm pretty sure you're an S.
Small brain.
Yeah, M?
Yeah,
So you have a bigger brain now?
bigger brain.
Nani?
I choose L for you, which is blue. So cool. 片手じゃかぶれなくない？
どう？
うん、似合ってるよ。
似合ってる。Everyone has to wear a helmet before going up.
Mandatory.
Okay. Done this.
We're now all set, ready to head up.
やば、怖いんだが。
本
見て、これさ、後ろにボードを引っ掛けていくんだね。
当？なんか the system is very.
おー、よくできてるよね。すごくLooking at this, I notice it's not as scary as the snowboarding.
Not as fast as the lift in the snowboarding.
Yeah, and then there's people to help.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, ay ay. Look down.
Okay, don't forget to on there.
Adi, on your GoPro.
GoPro. Is it already record? Okay, good.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, it's actually very nice.
We gotta go, run. You gotta run.
That was so fast. Oh my god. Now I know why you guys run.
Our first ride of the day would be sliding down a hill with a luge. It's like every childhood dream, but this time even more extreme.
Going in. The cuts just come from here. Once you're done, the cuts just slide through. Get one GoPro. Ugh.
なんか面白くない？ちょっとライトウェイト。
ね。Setting the cameras to make sure it films. Legend, Ultra, Gravity, and Express lane. There's actually 4 different lanes for you guys to choose to actually slide down here. Why? Do you know how to move? Don't worry, you'll be given a briefing.
Okey, akan ke depan, lepas exit dan perlahan-lahan. Dia lepas kan?
Dia sini.
Sorry. Move forward and go a little bit and slowly. Can you feel it? Okay. And great. Good. Okay, one last time, huh? Left, right, and break. Okay, parking first.
So apparently you are not allowed to bring any like camera devices, so you cannot actually handheld even like selfie sticks. You have to keep everything on the back. The only thing is accepted is your body strap or the the helmet, the head mount.
Actually, I like it more than a go-kart.
And not as fast as I thought, right?
I mean, you can actually control, but the handling is easier and lighter.
No, we didn't get the nice tunnel.
We didn't get the lights.
It's okay. If we have time after this, we repeat after shoot lah.
どうぞ。That's good. Refreshing.
Yeah.
On to the next shot. So we're actually heading to the fun park after this. Right now Arisa is actually filming, I think, an introduction at the front of Skyline Luge. So while we're waiting for her to shoot, it's actually quite nice over here. It's very clean. I think it's because, look at the place behind me. The roads are very nice, very clean. There's even a really nice cafe down here. Overall, this place is really quite nice. I really like it here.
早速お昼休憩になりました。
We got time until 1.
いや、わからないの
Is
で。
there?
Oh, okay. We're gonna get them.
We gotta go back and get our bags.
はい。立ち方はどうにかしなよ。じゃあこれからレストランに行きます。涼しい。はい、ありがとう。
Oh, it smells so good. Smell it. So I forgot, apparently this is Arisa's first A&W experience. She never tried A&W in her life. So let's see what she thinks about A&W.
Minty.
Mint? Eh? That's the first time I heard someone say root beer tastes like mint.
Minty.
Eh?
American market.
It's nice, right? It's like that. It's a different flavor. And I like the texture of this. A bit more crunchy.
ちょっともちもちもするね。
もちもち?
はい、ランチ食べ終わりました。A&W 美味しかったわ。というわけで次の撮影場所に移動します。どこだろう？
I think we're gonna start with the fun part first.
ファンパーク。というわけで次の撮影も頑張りましょう。
頑張りましょう。行きましょう。
はい。I can choose the horse what I wanna ride on.
Mina came in together too.
ワールドパークに行ってこれからお水遊びをしてきます。
You're ready to go?
はい。
So just now, we were trying to get Arisa to come down from the blue slide. Apparently, she came up from the other side of the blue slide. So later on, we have to go and film it again.
サンがダウンしてレンジ。
Coming soon. We are just filming the last scene, right?
はい。
And let's go.
寒いです。
Oh, wait, go. Denise?
多分もう一回かな。
Oh, cool. Yeah. Why don't we take pictures together?
終わりました。寒いんです。さっきから結構シーベリー。実はさっきまでめちゃくちゃ暑かったんですけど、急に天気が悪くなり始めて、そんなに暖かくないので今私は寒いです。
Come, let's go take a picture with them.
Okay, this is all for today. How was the video? It was a behind the scenes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, drop the comment please, and subscribe to my channel.
Ta-da!